Do we offer property investments? That's going to be the topic of today's video. Now, I haven't done these videos for a while, but as per the sections of the YouTube channel, I have done some frequently asked questions videos on a number of occasions. And I'm often asked, do we do property here? And if so, which markets do we cover? The simple answer is we don't focus on property. We do have some agreements with some property agents around the world, but we do not offer direct property in terms of we don't physically help you buy and rent a property. We can outsource it, but we don't do it ourselves. And in fact, my advice has often been that with property, you should be a bit more careful, especially during the pandemic, and you should especially be careful in the more developed markets where there's now astronomical taxes and maintenance fees in many ways. The UK is a good example of that. With that being said, we don't suggest that property is always a bad investment. In certain cases, it can be a good investment, but you shouldn't just go into it because it's familiar to you and everybody else is doing it. We do offer some property investments which are not traditional property though, like real estate investment trusts, REITs, and other forms of property which often aren't as expensive, aren't taxed as much, and can be held in conjunction with a liquid portfolio.